These are all the spare parts in the package. Includes the parts needed for installation. Of course, if you have purchased your own tools, the installation experience will be smoother. Step 1. Assemble the handlebar. Loosen the stem screws and turn the stem to the front. Loosen the stem cover screws and remove the stem cover. Attach the handlebar to the stem, put on the stem cover, and secure it briefly with the screws first. After adjusting the grip angle, tighten the 4 screws in diagonal order. Step 2. Assemble the front wheel. Loosen and remove the fork protection bar. Fit the front wheel into the forks, taking care that the disc clicks into the caliper. Unscrew the end cap of the quick release lever and remove one spring. Insert the quick release lever into the front wheel and install the spring before screwing on the end cap. Rotate the trigger and press the trigger firmly at the proper resistance. Unscrew the set screws on the forks. Secure the headlight and fender to the fork with screws. Secure the fender supports to both sides of the fork with screws. Step 3. Assemble the pedals. The pedals are labeled on both sides with the direction. R is the right pedal and L is the left pedal. Insert the pedal into the crank to tighten it. The right pedal is tightened clockwise. The left pedal is tightened counterclockwise. Step 4. Assemble the saddle. After loosening the seat post clamp and adjusting the saddle height, press down on the seat post clamp quick release. Step 5. Assemble the other accessories. Wheel reflectors are mounted on the spokes as shown in the video. White reflector mounted on handlebar. Unlocking with the key allows you to remove the battery. To the end of this installation, please contact us if you have any questions.